Hello, everyone. This is Rebecca Slaybaugh, Arcadis' Drinking Water Practice Lead.
And Ertan Akbaş, Digital Lead for Resilience Water, giving you high five for Lead Insights.
Why was it created? Lead service lines were used across America to deliver water from water systems to homes, hospitals, and buildings in various communities. It is estimated that there are approximately 10 million lead service lines currently in use in the U.S. today. And these lines can leach lead into people's drinking water, causing long-term health problems. New regulations require water systems to remove all lead service lines approximately by 2037 at a total estimated cost of $125 billion. This is a huge challenge for water systems. Arcadis designed Lead Insights to help water systems communicate, track, and manage activities associated with these replacement and overall lead and copper compliance programs. What is it? Lead Insights is designed by experienced engineers and developers at Arcadis to simplify lead and copper rule revisions compliance and lead service line replacement programs. It efficiently organizes and tracks your service line, replacement, sampling, and communication activities in one place using intuitive workflows, automated notifications, and comprehensive dashboards and reports. Ertan, you're up next.
Thanks, Rebecca. Who is it for? Lead Insights can have unlimited users depending on utility needs. This includes utility staff, contractors, and consultants, truly providing a central place for all stakeholders to share information. Where has it been used? Lead Insights has been used by public utilities such as City of New London, Connecticut. It helps the program team fully track customer outreach and sign customer agreements, replacement metrics, post-replacement sampling, pitcher filter distribution, service line inventory, and all construction management related activities, including RFIs, change orders, submittals, and payment applications. Why should I use it? Lead Insights can provide the following benefits: unlimited users across a project, custom workflows, the ability to collect data in the field. It has comprehensive data tracking capabilities, and it has an open API and the ability to integrate with existing systems to reduce data sharing costs. How can I use or integrate it into my work? Integrating Lead Insights into a lead service line replacement typically starts with thorough planning to ensure alignment with business objectives. Arcadis can provide business analysis and strategic planning to ensure you are up and running quickly while managing and tracking the appropriate information. Let's work together to continuously provide a safe source of drinking water. Contact us to discuss the requirements and needs of your program.